channel. Today we are going to be doing a fun video today, and I'm going to be doing a small little mini haul today for you guys. If you guys haven't seen my previous video, it'll be linked down below or at the end of this video, you guys, so feel free to check that out too as well. And definitely give this video a big thumbs up if you like these type of videos or you like these type of content. Just give this video a big thumbs up and I really appreciate that, you guys. So let's get with it. So I just want to show you guys what I got. I got this cute simple Lego set right here, and it's just a little vase, a little flower right here. Stems very simple. It's pretty easy, you guys. They already pretty much have everything in the box already that you would need in the box, you guys. And they have the little information to us what your instructions that you guys need to do for this. This is really cute. It's simple. I'll definitely leave it down below in the description box if you guys want to purchase it for yourself. Everything will be down below. So I got these little 3D stickers. These are the Hello Kitty ones, you guys, and this one came with a little tweezer too with it. But yeah, it just looks like these. They came separately, you guys, but these are the other ones that I got too as well. These are the not the Hello Kitty ones, but they're like the Kookaburra ones. There's some cute character ones right here. These are just 3D stickers, you guys. I think that they're really fun to do, and like it's like a little new hobby that I've been getting myself into. So last but not least, I got a new coloring book. I'm so excited to color this, you guys. It's the Hygge Nature one. Super cute, fun adult coloring book. This is just what it looks like, you guys. I think it's absolutely so cute. I think that I can't wait to color it, you guys. It will be also linked down below too, so if you guys are interested in purchasing it for yourself, everything will be linked down below. But that's about it for this mini haul, you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did creating it for you guys. Give this video a big thumbs up and I really appreciate that, you guys. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That means a lot to me, you guys. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.